Talk about messy. Now I know why Cotten didn't want to come do it. What's up, folks? Out here in the shop. It's cold. Got on my dog hoodie. Wish I had put heat in the shop when I built it, but I didn't. Anyway, so I'm just going to be honest. What I'm planning on doing out here in the shop is something I straight up feel like, I don't want to say I stole it, but I was motivated by Derek at Vice Grip Garage. Was watching a video of him doing a little restoration, so to speak, on the paint of an old Ford truck. And y'all have seen my toter home plenty of times, setting my toter home. It's been, it sets out here in the shop, and it's what me and Donna take to the races when we drive to the races. And it looks awesome, I think. I love the way it looks. But all of that is vinyl done by SSI decals. That's why I put their hat on, because I knew I was going to be talking about them. So this vinyl is probably, it's probably 4 or 5 years old now. Still looks really good. Has held up amazingly well. The trailer you see us pulling, it's been in a video or two, I'm pretty sure, behind the toter when we drive to the races. Also vinyl, matches, looks good. But what does not look good is the paint on the toter home. It's pretty much just like dead paint. And I don't know, it's hard to kind of tell because I don't know that does justice. It looks flat white. Listen, hear that? It's dead paint. Now, I am going to completely throw my buddy Mike Cotten under the bus. Some of y'all, actually, most everybody watching this knows who Mike Cotten is. TV star on Faster with Finnegan. Good dude, he's my buddy, but he is also an unbelievably good painter. And I have wore him out about painting this thing. Simple, Cotten. Look, it's just a cab. Not that much to it. 2 doors and a front cap. That's it. But my boy Cotten is a TV star, and he hadn't had time to do it. So I am not a paint and body guy by any stretch of the imagination. But after watching Vice Grip Garage, I'm fixing to give this an attempt. The worst I can do is ruin the paint. Guess what? The paint is junk already. But if we can make this thing shine just a little bit, maybe I can live with that. I guess I can live with it as it is because I've been living with it for 4 or 5 years like that. But it's something that, as the race season was coming along, I'm like, man, I need to do something with that. Let's get busy. See if we're going to burn the corners, burn the edges, or whatever's going to happen. But we're going to give it a shot. It's just work. So they always tell you whenever you're going to do some kind of cleaning with a chemical or some kind of polishing or something, to do it in an inconspicuous spot to make sure that it's not going to hurt anything. So I figured, let's just start at the very spot that I will see all the time. And if I mess this up, it's just going to make me bug Cotten more and more and more about painting this thing. Talk about messy. Now I know why Cotten didn't want to come do it. But I slang compound everywhere, including on my shirt. Got more on me and my sweatshirt than anything. But what I wanted to show you though, so this was real quick. We've got shine. We've got no shine. We've got shine. No shine. I think this is going to work. And I mean, I literally, yeah, I kind of worked on it here for a minute. And yes, I know it's going to be a big job, but I think we can make this old dead paint shiny. I like shiny when it's supposed to be. If it's supposed to be flat, then be flat. But this is supposed to be shiny. There are some spots, you know, it's chipped up. Some paint missing, like around this headlight right here. Nothing you can do about that. But I'm excited. I think it's going to work. Now we just got to do the work. Back to it. Yikes. I don't know if Donna's going to let me put these in the washing machine or not. I had no idea I was going to get so messy. And I don't know. Maybe, I know there'll be 9,000 people that tells me something, but I got these foam pads, but I don't know. It's slinging it everywhere. And I'm running it at the slowest speed. I know there's some experts out there like Mike Cotten. Where are you at, Cotten? Anyway, it's late, cold. I'm dirty. I'm going in the house. I think there is a little bit of Campbell's vegetable beef in my future. Next day. It ain't no warmer. So I shouldn't gripe because I know people will watch this where it's really cold, but it's 36 degrees outside. And boy, did I make a mess. I got stuff all over the camera, all over me. I was kind of worried about my dog hoodie from Freiburger. Love that dog hoodie. I actually took it in the house and soaked it, washed it, good to go. Anyway, I am not sure how much you can tell, but that's the first go round with the Corsus pad. And just real quickly, I'm impressed. So it is a little after lunchtime. I've been doing some other stuff. You can see there is no longer an engine setting here for Baby D. It is on a truck headed to Arrington Performance. I'm anxious to see what he comes up with, what he wants to do. No need in procrastinating. Let's at least get the hood finished. And from there, we'll see how much I get done because we are needing to head towards the race shop. Then we'll get some different content. Let's go to work. All right, y'all. I'm telling you, this was a freaking job. I told y'all that Derek Vice Grip Garage kind of motivated me. And I was giving crap to Mike Cotten, who at some point we talked about painting the toter home. And when he saw it for the first time in person, he's like, oh, it just needs buffed out, whatever, no problem. And, it's like, I'll come help you do it. Well, the truth is, I needed something to do at the shop. And I have give Cotten nonstop crap via text and photos. And what a job. But the upside is, look at that. That baby is shining. Yeah, she's got some nicks and chips and things, but hey, when I wash this thing, usually I would have paint come off because the paint was just like, I thought it was just like dead paint. But really and truly, Old Cotten was right. You just need to polish her up. Simple enough to say. Guy like Cotten knows how to do it. I don't. I have made a gigantic mess. I don't know if you can really see all this stuff. I've got foam everywhere. I got products everywhere. I've got rubbing compound on me. I had an apron on earlier. Yeah, oh, there it is. Yeah, there's my apron. Actually, that's Donna's apron. And I'm probably going to get in trouble for that. But, buffed it, put some polishing compound on it, and Cotten told me to finish it up with some wax. So I did some paste wax. And I know none of this is interesting. I'm sorry about that, but hey, it's what I've been doing the last couple days. And I have so much enjoyed all the comments on our secret truck project, Dentley. I am excited that you guys are apparently liking what me and the Lutz family are doing with Dentley. You guys, I don't really know what all I'm gonna do with this thing. Yes, I want to do drag week, but you got to remember, I can only do a portion of drag week because drag week always seems to be starting and finishing on an NHRA national event, and obviously that's how I pay the bills, is stomping on the loud pedal. So I want to take part in what I can if we get the truck done. I mean, for sure, we've got to get the truck done, by SEMA show for CRC. I'm excited for that. Hoping that I can get back up to Lutz Race Cars, in the next couple weeks. I am headed to the race shop very, very soon. We'll do a lot of content from there, but you folks are so awesome. I know you didn't care about watching me sit here and polish this freaking toter home, but I got to tell the truth, I'm pretty proud of it because I thought this thing needed painted. It's not perfect, but it'll get the job done. And I think I told you at the beginning of this video, our motor for Baby D is on its way to Arrington Performance. I don't know what we're going to do with that thing yet, but she's sitting here. She needs a heartbeat. I've cleaned it up a little bit more. Maybe I should polish it. That's a good question. I'm going to go back over here right quick. What would y'all do for color on this thing? I don't know. I mean, maybe flat black like Baby D's big brother, Dentley? Maybe you go white. Maybe you do flat white. I don't know. Donna will have a whole lot to do with that decision, but I would sure love to hear what you guys think we should do. All right, folks. I'm going to wrap this one up. Sorry for the boring content, but I just had to bring y'all along. And comment down below. What all do y'all think we should try to do with Dentley, our twin-turbo Hemi truck? Baby D, I've done told y'all a million times. I don't know what I'm building it for other than to dump the clutch and burn some rubber. And we'll definitely get that done. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, tuning in, liking, subscribing, commenting, all those things. I appreciate it. See you soon. Man, this thing come out good. Wish you could see how shiny it really is. Turn a light on there, you can. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. She cleaned right up. I'm so surprised. I know why Mike Cotten them won't do it. Because it's a lot of work. That's why.